In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Spotify's embed codes into your Wix website. It's a straightforward process that will enrich your site with music, enhancing the user experience. First, let's head over to Spotify. Once it's open, you'll need to navigate to the artist or podcast page that you're interested in linking to your site. This is an essential step, because it ensures your viewers have direct access to the specific content you want them to engage with. On the selected page, you'll see a 3 dots menu. Click this, and you'll be greeted with a few sharing options. From here, choose either Embed Show or Embed Playlist, depending on whether it's an artist or a podcast you're embedding. Once you've made your selection, click on Copy Code. This will copy the embed code to your clipboard, which is a vital piece of information for the next steps. Now that you have the embed code, let's move on to Wix. Log into your Wix account and open the editor for the website where you want to feature the Spotify content. On the left-hand side, there's a menu with a plus add button. Click on it and you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find Embed, where you have the choice between embed a widget or custom embeds. Either option will work, so you can choose based on your specific needs or personal preference. An embed box will now appear on your Wix page. Click inside this box and simply paste the Spotify embed code that you copied earlier. This step can be very exciting, as it visually brings the music component into your site's design. Once pasted, feel free to adjust the box. You can move and resize it to fit perfectly within your web page layout. This way, not only does it look aesthetically pleasing, but it also enhances the user navigation and interactive experience. After you're satisfied with how everything looks, remember to save your changes. This ensures you don't lose any of the adjustments you've made. Lastly, when you're ready, click Publish. This crucial final step makes all of your hard work come alive on the internet, allowing visitors to enjoy the embedded Spotify content seamlessly. Integrating these components can significantly enrich the content on your website, making it more dynamic and engaging for users. Congratulations! You've just successfully integrated a Spotify embed into your Wix site, a valuable skill that deepens the multimedia appeal of your online presence. Keep exploring and tweaking to make your website as interactive and engaging as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.